Let's learn how to change screen timeout settings in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's jump right in. So go to your Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings and from the left menu go to System. Here you will see several options. You just need to go to Power and Battery. If it's your PC, then you will only have power, but if it's your laptop, then you will have power and battery as this option. Here you will see the option called Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts. This is for your laptop. If it's your monitor or your PC, then you will have screen only. So here you can change your settings by clicking on this drop down menu. Here, make sure you have changed settings on battery too, because it might seem odd if you have settings for only your plugged in. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one.